Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm riding to one of the showroom where I get to ride a motorcycle, probably because I don't usually review the motorcycles or any vehicles, because I'm not good at it. So but since it has the same DNA as this motorcycle, that is Mahindra Mojo, so I'm heading up to Java showroom, where I can they have launched a new 3 variants of YEZDI motorcycle. One is cruiser, one is adventure, and the other one is scrambler. I'm not sure whether the vehicles are available there in the store or not, so but I'm going to give my try today. Yep. So but I mean the weather is really good today, I mean, to ride. It's not too hot. That's why we pick up a winter days to ride motorcycle, because it's not so hot, and you can ride easily, without getting tired. So riding in the winter is something different, man. Anyways, I'm not going for a long ride today, but that's it. So by the way, I'm not in Bangalore, so I'm in Hubli. So yeah, the store, the YEZDI or a Java store, I'm not sure, because earlier it was a Mojo showroom. They have now they have converted to YEZDI and Java showroom. So I mean, this motorcycle gets a lot of attention, man. So compared to my other motorcycle, so this has that grunt on the road, the sound, the looks, This is a BS3 version Mojo, which I brought in back in 2016. Oh, look at them. And I'll show you some of the people, riding the vehicles crazily. I mean, they don't have any sense at all. Alright, so I think I need to take left from here. I hope the GoPro is recording my voice. So I mean, just I'm really not sure whether the vehicle is available or not. If it isn't there, so then I'll head up to some other place. Oh my goodness, what was that, man? There was a big stone hit my tire. And yeah, I mean, logging after a long time, there was a huge gap in between with my last video and today's video, because I was pretty much occupied, and I was like, busy with some personal work. I think I'll be started. I mean, because I'll be changing my channel name, and yeah, that's the plan. We'll talk about it later. But right now, I think I'm near to the showroom. Let's see whether they have motorcycle to give me for a test drive. Yeah, this is the Java. Let me check in the store whether they have not. I'm not sure. See, this is how my motorcycle looks. Okay. Let me get inside, man, because whether they have or not, I'm not sure. Hello. So this one is Brack. I'm not sure whether they have the motorcycles or not. Sir, YEZDI motorcycles. Month end barata. ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಶೋರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಹೀಂದ್ರ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ YEZDI ಅದು ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಗೆ ಹಾಂ 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 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So what I mean, they are very humble people here, and what the store people are saying is see my motorcycle, man, how it looks in the mirror. So what I was saying is these guys are really humble. I mean, they were telling that okay, the vehicles are not available, it would take around 10 days to arrive in the showroom, and they will definitely give me a motorcycle for the test drive, that is adventure, YEZDI adventure. This is what I was looking out for. And so once, I'm not a good reviewer of the motorcycles because I usually do travel vlogs and all, but I wanted to give a try, so that's why I came today. And unfortunately there is no motorcycle available. So what is my next plan is I'll be heading towards Gokul Road straight. Gokul Road is a place in Hubli where the airport is very near. So but I'm not going to any airport. I'm going to ride to some of the smallest I think it's a dam there, so I'm going to go there and do just relax for a while and come back. And today is Monday morning. I feel I mean it was locked down from last 2 consecutive days, so I didn't get chance to ride. I didn't want to take risk at all. I wanted to talk about my channel name. I have changed it to OP, from Outlander Pradeep to OP. Why? I just want people to say it in short, OP. And most of the people, I mean, just struggle to say that Outlander Pradeep. I mean, anyways, the full form is Outlander Pradeep, but I just wanted to cut short to OP. You know, OP rides and all, I did not mention, just as OP. As you know that, you know, I don't review most of the time on the motorcycles. Furthermore, I mean, I don't review any vehicles. And I usually travel vlog, I do travel vlogs, you know. So I mean, this particular, you know, I have seen people keeping the names on the OP rides. I mean, example, I'm just giving it an OP drives, OP traveler. I don't want to mention a single character of riding there or a character of vlogs. I just want to keep it simple. I mean, it's OP. I mean, I can ride, I can travel, I can explore, I can go to any motorcycle showrooms and you know, start doing vehicle reviews. So I just want to keep it very short. So but right now it's just OP. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to some of the store here and buy some stuff and keep it in the tank bag as soon as I reach the destination. So I want to spend myself a little bit time. Yep, here we go. Oh my goodness, I brought this bingo and a thumbs up. I'll search for some place and sit and eat peacefully. Let's take out the gloves. The place where I'm going, it is called as Neer Sagar. It is 20 kilometers from here. Let me wear this gloves first. I need to fill up the tank. I didn't fill up the tank. There is a petrol, but not sure. You know, this tank bag is really helpful for short rides and also for long rides. Hubli and Dharwad is under smart city projects. I can say the smart city projects are not so successful. I mean, I can say they have completely screwed it up. The roads, they have improved a lot, but the design of the city, they screwed it up completely. What vehicle is it? Looks like alien ship. Zip up. So this is Hubli Airport. I have to go 20 kilometers straight. And this speedometer is screwed up. Sometimes it shows 120 at the speed of 20 kilometers. Faster than the spaceship, huh? There is a speed limit here. This is Infosys. Looks like I don't see any employees. I mean, even in the Bangalore, you don't see any employees now. All are working from home. Things got changed drastically from last 2 years. Nobody even expected that is going to happen. People just, you know, stopped going to office and started working from home, and many of them taken it as an advantage as in managing time, and most of them, they haven't, because they're putting on the weights. For example, me, I put on my weight. Okay, so yeah, I have to go straight. This is Hubli and Dharwad bypass. This is the same route, the parallel route, which will take you to Goa as well. Finally, I got a petrol bunk here. Let me fill up. So let's start. And I'm 15-20 kilometers. I'm not sure about the way. I'm not even set up my GPS. It's hectic. I mean, because I have to again place a mount here and what's the right directions. But right now I'm okay. I mean, asking people and heading to the destination. All right, guys. So I'll catch up in another video, and in the next video we'll go there and I will show you the places. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and give a like and share if you like. Thank you.